Today on Take 5 with Cleanfax, I welcome back Sonny Ahuja with Kill It Online, a marketing company that will help anyone with their website, their SEO, their Google campaigns. Am I missing anything, Sonny?
No, search engine rankings.
Social stuff, yeah. So he's here to help, and I love doing these topics with you, Sonny, because it helps people with their internet marketing, the nuts and bolts and what they need to learn about. Today, we're going to talk about something I don't really know much about. It's called A/B testing.
Okay.
Sonny, what is that?
A/B split testing or A/B testing, it is a controlled way of doing experiments between side by side between two marketing strategies. A/B testing can be done, for example, on landing pages, when you drive traffic to a website. So you can have different call to actions on your landing pages, different colors, and the goal should be or can be is improving conversion rates from your website's landing pages. So in order to improve conversion rates, you may have you may change the color of the site, of the landing page. You may change the call to action. You may change the call to action on the button in mobile phones, in mobile device. So that's landing page. A/B testing can also be done in Google campaigns. And the goal in Google campaigns can be to increase the click-through rate. So you can have two campaigns, let's say for carpet cleaning. One can be automated bid strategies, one can be manual, and you can see which one performs better. You can have A/B testing between different ads. So you can run two ads side by side and see which one performs better. So it's basically having similar, through the customer journey, something in your marketing funnel, which is similar, but you make slight changes to test which one works better.
Okay, so that explains it. How does it actually work? Any details there?
Oh, sure. So depending on what you're trying to achieve, what the goal is. So let's say if the goal is to improve conversion rates from your website, then of course you will test, like I said before, different strategies on your landing pages. If it is to improve results from Google ad campaigns, then you can make changes in ad campaigns by changing bid strategies, changing cost per clicks, changing the search phrases, the search terms, the ad copy itself, the headlines, the subheadlines, the descriptions. If you are trying to improve results from, let's say, Facebook campaigns, then you can have one campaign where it can be, a person will send you the message. The call to action can be messages. In another campaign, it can be phone calls. So you can see if you get more messages in Messenger from your prospects or if you get more phone calls. So that's also like testing. You can do the same on YouTube. You can do that on Instagram. You can just run multiple marketing campaigns side by side to improve the results.
And I imagine drop off those that aren't working, those that are working, and keep working with those.
Absolutely.
Those. Okay.
Absolutely. So we have a client who gets $10 per lead from click to call or from calls in Facebook, and he gets $20 per lead from message campaigns. So we eventually dropped his message campaign and moved the money to call campaign.
Okay. Let's talk about results. What big impact will this have on like pay-per-click campaigns and conversions? Because it's all about getting those jobs.
Oh, it can be huge. You can literally double your lead generation without increasing your marketing budget. So let's say if you have leads coming in at $50 a lead, right? When you first start with your campaigns, and you start to make changes to your landing pages with A/B testing, improve conversion rates. And then you reverse engineer and you start improving the click-through rate of your search phrases. You write different ad copies to increase conversion rates. The increased click-through rate will get your ad ranking high for less cost per click. So actually, what happens is your bids, your cost per click goes down and conversions increase. So a $50 lead that you were getting for before can come down to $30 a lead, $25 a lead. We've reduced cost per lead by 50% by running A/B testing for our clients.
All right, we have a few seconds left, Sonny. Some might be watching and going, "Oh no, I'm not going to do this. I don't get it." What can you do for them? What's
Well, if they run Google ad campaigns, we're happy to review their campaigns and give them some ideas how they can improve the results from campaigns. If they have websites, landing pages, of course, we are happy to take a look at them, analyze them, run some reports, and tell them how they can improve them. If they want to improve it themselves, that's wonderful. If they want us to improve it for them, we can do that as well.
all right, but it has to be done. That's it.
It has to be done.
Has to be
Otherwise,
done.
you cannot improve the results. You cannot bring your cost per lead down.